Oh god. What did I do? What did I do? I put too much brown wax on my furniture. How am I going to fix this? Hello everyone and welcome to this episode on our YouTube series Fixing Furniture Painting Blunders, and today we are showing you how to basically clean browning wax if we have put on too much. And before we start, just a kind reminder to subscribe to our YouTube channel RescoliByCarlo. And here we have a small and brief history about this piece of wood. This was a model, a mood board for a kitchen that we did lately, and you can see the renovation of this kitchen in our social media, even on our YouTube shorts. So if you go on RescoliByCarlo, you can find these short videos showing the whole thing. The base color for this panel was Stone Rosy from the Frenchic's Lazy range. Then we applied the raised stenciling, cleaned, painted, same color. Then we added some gold and silver mix French sheen, and afterwards, when everything was dry, we put a double dose of browning wax. If we think that we have put too much brown wax on our furniture, it's very easy to do to lighten up a little bit our mishap. So we need clear wax, which is this, a piece of cloth, putting wax on the cloth, and we just do this. Ta-da! As you can see, there's a whole difference already with just a clean swipe with clear wax. So you can see here it's still a double dose, here it's toned really down. So this is one way to solve the excess browning wax on furniture. Now, there are other ways to avoid this completely. First, you can give a coating of clear wax, let it dry, and then apply browning wax afterwards. And then it's easier to manage and to have more control on how much you want browning wax on your furniture. Also, you can mix both the clear wax and browning wax together in a separate container and apply normally. Well, the shade will be a little bit lighter than the proper browning wax, but it's also an option. So, well, if you ask me which is my personal preference, I would say I would go with this. I apply browning wax, and if I want some places to be clear of that effect, or rather toned down, because if you don't want the brown wax, you don't apply it, obviously, and clean with clear wax afterwards. And that is all for today in our series Fixing Furniture Painting Blunders. I hope you enjoy this. I know also a lot of people who like our videos on browning wax, and this is another alternative to how to use waxes on your furniture, obviously. Till next time, ta-ta!